So let's see how we can install OpenCV in Jupyter Notebook and how we can run some code that uses OpenCV in Jupyter Notebook. First, I'll open my Jupyter Notebook, and okay, on this one here I have written some OpenCV code. Okay, where did it go? Okay, let's write the code again. Anyways, so this is the sample code that uses OpenCV. So CV2 is actually OpenCV, and then I'm doing some stuff here. Basically, I'm just converting this original image to grayscale. Okay, so let's run this using Control Enter. And when I run this, as you can see, I get this error that says module not found error, no module name CV2. Now, this is because we have not yet installed OpenCV. So what we'll do is we'll create a new cell, and in that cell, we will install OpenCV. So if you go to cell here, you can add a new cell. Where is it? In insert, not in cell. Above this current cell by pressing A, right? So if you are in here edit mode, press escape so that you are now in, so that now you're not in edit mode now, and then press A. So now a new cell is created, and just type pip install python -opencv. Make sure you have this exclamation in front of it, and now hit Control Enter, and OpenCV will be installed. So as you can see, I'm seeing this asterisk mark here. This means that this cell is now processing. So let's wait till this is complete. So I'm getting this error that says no matching distribution found for Python OpenCV. So this means that this package is not found. Let me verify if this is actually the name. So it's OpenCV-Python, not Python-OpenCV. So let's change this. And now let's run this again by pressing Control and Enter. And again, it is now processing. Let's wait for a few seconds. While this is processing, check out our brand new awesome coding merch. We've got t-shirts, hoodies, we've got stickers for laptops or notebooks, cups, bags, and a lot more. Get it today from the link below. Now you'll see this stuff here, and if you scroll down, as you can see, you'll see this message: successfully installed OpenCV-Python. Also, by the way, you might have noticed I'm using dark theme, and if you want this, check the link in the description. It will show you how you can do this dark theme in Jupyter Notebook. Okay, now let's actually enter the full path image here, and now let's try to run this by pressing Control Enter again. And this time, as you can see, I'm getting another error in this image. Okay, can't decode byte in this position or something like this. So this is not because of OpenCV. I have to check my code, or maybe this path is wrong here. And anyway, now we have installed OpenCV and we are running the code using OpenCV. So this is how you can install OpenCV in Jupyter Notebook. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.